Ebushamaimo akwaba and found Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambekebi. Ghanafuo bebre wefu some of the Kumawood actors no omo back together in the run up to election 2024 campaigning massively for John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. They have reviewed say look, people like Oboi Siki mu, any Kwaku Manu and the others are knowing very much, say, by the grace of God and through some enablement of Yena, you are both sides of the divide, both MPP and NDC. And you contribute to rise to success. We success are among Daniel Moody and any the fame they are enjoying. And they owe it a duty to the Ghanaian populace say election be a bampuna or mu kwakom lend your support to a particular political party anka enye in the manner in which they all rose against a MPP abino, because indeed obi bia nanka owo Kumawood at heart. Bet me aka say Kumawood was on a downward trend, and in fact it took a MPP to come into power. And I ever started a school of I think a media and culture or something like that. I act in a film production in Yamanema in our MPP never built this square or Ashanti region. And obi bia or pair at the Pama Kumawood biano anka ideally that person should have been someone who would wholeheartedly support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But these individuals no omu yomu and ya kran say baby omo free no Ashanti region anka Ashanti region na hotspot World Bank MPP and omo make sure say omo ye humanity MPP Ashanti region hono. Now last year Sankrofo na neba bontin be praise say yay ena John Mahama yay udenyo una usipi na usito una ye can say savior of Ghana una why say na nkrofo bisa say Oboi Siki Kwaku Manu any Messi Asiedu any mu akaka no Vivian Jill mu no nyama nkoyi see a obi abetimi ehun so obi abetimi age tum say nyama nkoyi wo man mo atol diesel and edru you can say 19 cities no obi krumukra turn over 20 cities. Na Kumawood actors are mu support John Mahama mu president na mu campaign man no nyama ekoso no mude. Na sanya mude, why are you silent? Vivian Jill, Messi Asiedu, Kwaku Manu, Oboi Siki, any nia Bakubi Wawa Nini Kese be sorry to say, but that's how I remember him. All of you, munyi na muba together. Every company the MPP no. How far? Nyama ekoso no hunu saying. Bible says only a fool that does not change their mind. And he finally say, granted, say, ebia supporter mo lendi ma NDC prior to election, ebia mo nimti na mo ye. Let's give it to you, granted to you, no. How about now? They say nyama ekosuno, and everyone now can see, say for a fact, you've been taken for a ride. Ya dada ye. How then as to Mayako? Why are you still quiet? Kumawood for. Abeku Santana be promise mu say na television bi beba na sa television station no utia now share and that was going to be the revival of Kumawood and Ghanaian music no. How far? Have you people cared to ask Abeku Santana, say Abeku, how far? Promises are making during election no? How far with those promises? Once you are not able to come out now that Mwe say Nyama enkoye, once you are quiet, what it means, Nene say, you people are all corporates. You are all corporates. And I dare I see what man will must say, Nyaman call you, Nakupo be Samunina. You will all account for it one day. If you don't account for it on Eta, Muko Nyakupo anima, you will account for it. You misled people. You use your fame to mislead people. Not that damn Ghanafuo. And then Nyaman call you know, Wakamanutum. Mudia Munkamanutum, sir.
Abrabo bia ni nani so. Watini force ano. wayosi ne ho se ayi body a yetwa so body a yetwa so wo wayosi wo yare da honom na ye nyina say oh nyankopon fa wo nkwanche wo ne saa ne manema nyame ye wadom a ho to wo no na wo so bedi nkwase asem achi na ya kan sika gu utimi twa plane ba abrochire na wasan ekọ ye twa sika gu account mu na wudi yenya nsamtwerefo binum a omode omoye funu na ye adwumati bonkosofo a omo support this nkwase asem big time ene omo nyina omo ye expose omo wen won se Kwaku Manu ate akwakotena eso on the platform no eye comedies wate akotena ayete se NDC aba na onfa omo hu biu because we promote nkwase asem na jisika dia bi perfume shop so what you say we promote nkwase asem no wa jisika o dia bi perfume shop ntinya dia ofo obi ahu biu so what you say Kwajon cancel when e promote nkwase asem na wanye sika e de ye movies akese e de ko e de ba nti we se wonso atwene ho akotena ase Mr Beautiful ye se obi hu ba bi odi ne ti afa eduru ba bi a e wosenka aban na omo promote no omo kanya nsasem ne kire se papa de ye kokan ye ne nya ne na wuye no obi atiatena wayosi aye nanim abo mfunfunya se ye dija jansrama afefa nanim ono so tewo onkasa biu na wiase no da bia meka se nipa binom nyankopon betuo mo so kasa de omo enwuma ne omo no asem esitie yes moma yensu ma nurse for what moma yensu ya nkasa yesu moma yensu omo because the most ungrateful people mahunu no me life mu nurse for na teacher for mo nurse for yetwa mo allowances mu papa ya na ba betwa as allowances no mu na da bia meka se yesese aban de woka sa aka no enhim guda
never
enfie dukuru betua but John Dramani mama ba no wanka nkire mo se me ba be de mo ka wo o se mintua se mu beto abeti am kra mo ntuntia me mintua so what you say ena wo yi free ho kra entirely ena wo yi free because on pese da bi ubegina ba bia ka se eye ka da nanim wa anwene ni nua bi a wo ku school ho wa anwene ne wo faase bi a wo ku school ho wa anwene hia ni bi a wote ba bi a ne ba sa hia ni ne ba be hia sa allowances no e dey supporting education but o si mintua meanwhile papa na woto na ono abedi assembly man for assembly man so be president 2-3 times no ono ankasa e ku school free eje sa allowances ni nyina bi de sand support ni free na okoye no but o si mintua magana ni bia benefit yes still Ghanafuo yenya nkora binum a omotwe mic esi o man ho edi na nado atem ka chom sa allowances no omompe immediate posting na kwatere kwaso obema ontuma adewuntie ni din nipa na oba begina wanim ka chom se mema immediate posting no oba ye wa allowances 400 cedis no kwa wentimi
entia
teacher for COVID-19 baaye ena nanado ka say montena fie ye can nipa omo enjoy that time pa incentive ni allowances akesi mo pay ba kokura nkam sa abra nanado baaye na mo ye adwuma teachers for no bebre ye adwuma 3 years ama papa we atua mo 3 months pen e dia ma mo se die meet me atua no 3 years down the lane was meet me atua 3 months pe o pe o mpe o John Dramani mo atua just 3 months pe nanado baaye ohunu mo mobo ena wotua moka na aka ni nyina de maamo
obia de maamo
fofia ntoata ena COVID-19 ba ena nanado se montena fie me mpasse mbia se yelusu ska ye be hunu kwan ya be fa so ya be pe but yelusu nkwande a ntimi nya ne back view enti montena fie na mentwa allowances mamo na mensantua incentive ne niam bi e be mamo ye comfortable nurse for na teacher for nurse for kra de mo san je ya eji protection allowance na sa ni mani nyina sa brenu mu ena nurse ni bi twa blog sa brenu mu ena teacher ni bi twa blog mutimi hwe nyankopon wanim esan koto aba editia MPP se mompe na John Dramani mama se wasesa na adwen opagana fo ache wo se wasesa na adwen in fact odonyame se wasesa na adwen enti monsan to aba no ma no na de wanye ne ye no omra me ni ene ye ne obi e bema onko na onko kasa agenda 111 the meaning of agenda 111 a COVID time and the brain man Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a survey na who say COVID ne baye no ye won kronkro bi no ma idea ni bi ehunu bi wo honom enso na ye ni big hospital bia wo ho a ebetimi aye den asasa ni wenum so enti dia na aban ne betimi aye a ye betimi akiosa problem we ene ye hwe se district bia ye benya district hospital kese wo ho a dabi sa asem bi si anas emma pressure kramba ayi oman no so ewa yayaresem ena afi enkora na wie school atena fie more ewo previous government na baso aban na post to be still we bi wo fie ti din na be ya still ayeso ye hia nurses ti din na be ya ye be de ye betimi a post to say ankora ni nyina mo ye adwuma ena still we need more hospitals. Nanadjo ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nimdie mu no na wo say yesisi hospitals ewo miamia baabia ti agenda 111 the meaning no baabia every pa COVID time ene omo survey ye omo nya sa vision so mbisi hospitals across the nation enti nurse for na amuko gina ho no mka sa mompe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mompe allowances mompe na mompe immediate posting no before say mubenya sa immediate posting no na sa agenda 111 no aye completed because you need more hospitals so we need more workers.
Yeah.
Nyansa you're building it from the scratch.
Yeah.
You're building Nyansa from the scratch.
That's it.
Say me me page we kasafa politics ho.
But
baby a minor duru no was say ye kasa biu.
Yes. Yes.
Was say ye kasa biu.
Taibra I mean. Taibra na.
Me who president a wojina puppet so a na o kasa in a solo way said the attempted koso. Nka obo wie ye no asore fo no mo se mo de mo so mo ye nyamesomfo no na nka mo yi ni videos a ono ankasa gina ho di atem e de chere no say papa asemi a ne wabegina puppet so a wo kai wo na wo sha ase enie but ene Ghana ye suro ni pa ni nkasa asore nka no kure biu niema bebre amanfo di sika ato ni pa adwen ni pa nko ke me kasa one hwe omba beche me
o gre mu ntimi nti okay
nanka male kwasiam panyini se ene hwan a ono ye ma ni wayi boss wa adwuma be no ye certificate be ne kita na o fit se o ko wayi office me dem friend bass tell me friend kwasiam panyini ji me force ano because we be enti adu dia yemfa omontoto baabia na obi a bi na yenko because nya adwuma bia na ye beye na komre minta akando no ani krom kura no nya bibia wo so obetimi aye health minister so what you say sami jamfi certificate bi ne kitana ye di gold board e kwakoto na
gold akwese ne
ye ne koto ay gold na communication director everyone man straight to the gold board see
how tali me da se
kokofo enemu ankasa